22 Pro Set Sports for Ben. And the first autograph is the Worm, Dennis Rodman, 3/45. And the second, not bad, Action Inc. Juan Soto. Congrats, Ben. Not bad. Soto autograph. Ooh, I'd have put some of these out probably. 9 left. If you'd like any more, no more shipping. Box 6, 2, 4, 6. Oh, I can tell who this one is just by seeing the 2 of 6. Pro Set Portrait, Jerry West. Face of the NBA. And, ooh, Triple Threat. I didn't see who it was, but Triple Threat autograph, Naomi, Osaka, Julie Ertz, and Hailie Degan. I would think that would... I know people love Hailie Degan. I would think that would be pretty good.
I can figure that one